Hello, in this chapter we want to analyze another ability of Microsoft Word, and it is inserting the image and applying some modifications on it. As you see in the template, it asks us to add a picture and a caption in our Microsoft Word. The figures and tables, as it is asked, should be 10 points in size and Times New Roman as my font. So first of all, open Microsoft Word, click on the part of the page that you want your picture, go to Insert, Pictures, and click on the pictures and browse the picture that you want to have in your Microsoft Word page and insert it. So now, as you see, you have the picture in your Microsoft Word page. So first of all, you have to double click on the picture so format opens. In format you have different options. First of all, you can change the color. Now you change the color to, for example, black and white. Artistic effects can have different effects, or in picture styles you can have different styles in your picture. Picture border can change the border of the picture, so I choose this border for my picture. And it can have different forms, dashed, dotted, different forms. I choose this format for my border. So it's about the first part of the picture. Next thing that is important is about wrap text. I explain it to you. In wrap text, for example, imagine that I'm copying a text under the image, and I click on the picture, go to wrap text. In wrap text, you can have different relationship between text and picture. For example, now here, if you put behind text, the picture goes behind, or in front of the text, so picture comes in front of the text. So you can have different formats for the picture and the text in wrap text. Another part that is important is cropping. In cropping, when you click on it, and of course in the right part, you can change the size of the crop to whatever size that you want, or you can even crop it by dragging your mouse from different parts of the crop to crop your image to whatever you are interested in. Now I'm changing the picture to this form, and then I enter or click on a white part of the page. You see that the cropping is applied. Now I make an example for you. Imagine that this part, I want this part to be magnified and specified. So I copy my picture and choose it and crop this part. I want this part of the image to be specified, so I crop it from different parts. From the sides I crop it, and from the top it should be smaller, and I crop it from the down part, from the bottom too. So now you see that cropping is applied. I enlarge my picture a little, and now I want to put this small picture in front of the original paper, so I go to wrap text and choose in front of the text, so this picture goes in front of my text. Now I have to do the settings. So I put this picture here, and a little goes up, a little left, and that's good. Now I want to magnify the part that is related to this smaller picture, so I go to Insert and Shape and choose a shape. I choose an oval. So I choose oval and I make an oval on this part, but you see that the oval is fill, so I want to put no fill, so I go to shape fill and choose no fill and put it a little left. So it is good now. And I want to change the color of the oval. I go to shape outlines and choose which color? Red. Yes, I choose red. And of course you can make an arrow. So I go to insert shapes and choose an arrow, and I draw an arrow from the oval to the smaller picture to make it more specified. You can change the color of the arrow too. So I go to shape outline again, choose red again, and you can change the weight of it. So I choose this weight, even more, 3 points is alright. And the border of the oval can be a little more, so I choose it, go to shape outline, weight is chosen as 1.5 points. That's good. So you see that how we can use crop and wrap and shapes. Next part is about the captions. For caption, I go to references, insert the caption, it's chosen, and you see that you can have captions by default. You have some labels that you can choose. Book, equation, figure, and table can be chosen as the label of the caption, but you can even add new labels. If I click on new label, write down fig, for example, as the caption, but I choose figure as my caption, figure 1, and I put semicolon because I want to have some explanations on it, and confirm it. You see that I have the caption, and automatically the caption is smaller than the text, because normally caption size should be smaller than the size of the text. So I want to change it from font and size, so I go here in styles, click here, more, and you see captions, click right, modify, and in modifying formatting you can change the font and size is 10. You see that you can align it to center, left, or right, and you have different other options that you can choose and confirm it. So you see that the font is changed and size is also changed. Now you can copy whatever explanations that you have for your caption. Hope to see you soon in next chapter. Have a good time. Goodbye.